The Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries feature in QuickBooks Enterprise allows you to quickly add or update multiple records in your list, such as items, customers, and vendors. This feature streamlines data entry and ensures consistency across your list. Step 1. Opening the Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries window. Access the Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries feature. First, navigate to the top of the menu bar and click on List. From the drop-down menu, select Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries. This will open the Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries window. Step 2. Choose the list type. At the top of the Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries window, you will see a drop-down menu labeled List. Click on this menu to select the type of list you want to add or edit. Your options are customers, vendors, service items, inventory and non-inventory parts, items, inventory sites, assemblies, and vendor items. I will choose to view my inventory parts. The current list entries will appear in a grid format in the window. Each column represents a field and each row represents a record. Step 3. Customizing the columns to customize your spreadsheet. Click on the Customize Columns button at the top right of the window. This will open the Customize Columns window. In the Customize Columns window, you can add or remove columns to tailor the view to your needs. To add a column, select it from the Available Columns list on the left and click the Add button. To remove a column, select it from the Chosen Columns list on the right and click the Remove button. You can also change the order of the columns by selecting a column in the Chosen Columns list and using the Move Up or Move Down buttons. Choose Default to go back to the original column format. Once you have customized the columns to your preference, click OK to apply the changes and return to the Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries window. This view will default to the last customized preference you accepted each time until you decide to make another layout. Step 4. Adding new entries. To add new entries, scroll to the bottom of the list where you will find blank rows. Enter the data for each new entry in the appropriate columns. I personally like to choose the drop-down under the label View and choose Unsaved Inventory Items. Then I copy from my Excel or CSV worksheet and paste a couple of items to test that the items are transferring into the correct fields. If you have several items you'd like to enter, you can simply copy and paste them directly into the Add, Edit, Multiple List Entries window. For larger batches, I recommend breaking your data into chunks, around 1,000 rows at a time. Avoid going over 2,500 rows in one paste. In my experience, larger imports can slow down processing significantly, especially if there are any errors in the data that needs to be corrected. QuickBooks also offers autofill and copy down features to speed up data entry. Right-click on a cell to see options like Copy Down or Duplicate Row or Clear Column. After entering the new data, click the Save Changes button at the bottom right of the window to save the new entries to your list. If there are any errors, you will see them in red on the screen. Click on View and choose Inventory Items with Errors to see what items need to be corrected. Step 5. Editing existing entries. To edit existing entries, first locate the entry to edit scroll through the list or use the search function at the top right of the window to find the entry you want to edit. Click on the cell you want to edit and enter the new data. You can move between cells using the Tab key or arrow keys. After making the necessary updates, click the Save Changes button at the bottom right of the window to apply the changes to your list. Step 6. Using filters. To narrow down the list and focus on specific entries, use the filter options at the top of the Add Edit Multiple List Entries window. Click the View drop-down menu and select your filter criteria. Within the inventory part list, you can choose all inventory items, active or inactive inventory items, unsaved inventory items with errors. With Custom Filter, you can search by a more specific set of criteria. Enter the field you want to search within, and in the For box, enter your item information. For example, I want to search all active inventory items with anything that starts with PO in the item name field. Choose Go. To remove the filter and view all entries again, click the red X in the upper right-hand corner. Keep in mind, you can just enter PO in the Find box to filter your items as well, which may be much faster. I just wanted to give you another option as well. Step 7. Finalizing your changes. Before finalizing your changes, review the data to ensure accuracy. Click the Save Changes button to save your edits. When you are finished, click Close to exit the Add Edit Multiple List Entries window. By following these steps, you can efficiently add or edit multiple list entries in QuickBooks Enterprise, ensuring your lists are accurate and up to date. This feature is a powerful tool for streamlining data management and maintaining consistency across your records.